Here is the code to master reset Nokia 105, Nokia 106, star hash 7370 hash. Erase and restore factory settings. Click continue. Input your default pin or the regular pin that you use on the phone. After that, click on OK. The phone will start the master resetting process in few seconds. Don't forget that this process will erase everything you have in the phone. Such items the phone will erase is your phone contacts that you save inside the phone, the settings of the phone, the password. It will restore it to default. It will remove so many things like your messages, be it inbox, sends, drafts, messages. It will all remove it. Don't forget that after inputting this password, after dialing this code that I showed you earlier, star hash 7370 hash, when you click continue, you have to input the default pin or the regular pin, and after that click on OK to kickstart the master resetting process. This is latest tech. Don't forget that if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, you should subscribe immediately, because when you do, it will help you to stay updated each time we drop a new content like this. Don't forget to drop your queries in the comment section of this video, because in no distance time I will reply to them one after the other. See you in our next video. The second option you can use to unlock the Nokia 105, Nokia 106 is by going to your settings. Scroll down to restore factory settings. When you get to restore factory settings, select the option. Input the default pin of the phone, which is the default pin of the phone is 12345, 12345. But if you have changed the code to your desired code, please input that code and the phone will kickstart the hard resetting process or the master resetting process. And in no distance time, you see that the phone will erase everything. Note that latest tech advises you to back up all your files before you embark on this journey, especially your messages and that of your contacts. Please do a proper backup before you engage in this process. Don't also forget that this content was created only for educational purposes only. Criminals activities of any kind is advised against. Check out this channel, latest tech, subscribe to this channel. When you check out this channel, you see that we have other interesting videos. See you while you browse on this channel.